What we'd like to do today is show you a demonstration on a few of our different products. First product we'd like to show is our carburetor injection cleaner. Now, one of the things that is bad for a fuel system is condensation that builds up in the fuel tank. You need to get rid of that water and condensation so that you can clean your fuel system, stopping rust, corrosion, carburetor icing, and many other problems. What we'd like to do is show you how this works. Now let's take a little bit of gasoline and we'll put that in our test tube here. This is just like gasoline in your fuel tank. You can see it laying there on the bottom. Now as you get condensation, you start to add the condensation in your fuel system, and pretty soon you can see what the problem is. You've got water separated from the gasoline, and this is your problem. You can't pick the water up when it's separated. So what we do is we take a little bit of the Lynch carburetor and injection cleaner and we put that in that fuel system. Now as you take and drive the car, take a bump out of the driveway or drive the car down the road, you can see that it completely absorbs that moisture and makes it one clean burnable solution so that you can get that moisture out of the fuel and clean your system. Now in comparison, let's do the same test with a competitive product. Let's take our gasoline and put it in our bottle, in our fuel system. Let's take our water and add that to our fuel system. Condensation that builds up over time. And you can see that gas and water don't mix. Now let's take a competitive product that claims to do the same thing. Read the bottle, they say basically the same thing. Let's add that product, give it the bump out of the driveway, or drive it down the road, and you can see that you still have your water at the bottom of the fuel tank. Now the whole idea was to get the water out of the system, clean the system, but as you can see there's a difference in products. One product says what it does and does what it says. The other product says basically the same thing, and you can see there is definitely a difference in automotive fuel products.